Welcome to another tutorial of myapp.property. There's only two things in life that are certain: death and taxes. And because tax is such an important part of being an entrepreneur and being a property investor, we've got a tax calculator which will help you understand what your income tax would be. Now, it very much depends in what entity you are doing your investing in. If you're doing it in your personal name, which I don't recommend because the taxes are not super attractive, you would choose person. PTY if you are in a company, and at the time of recording this video, the company income tax rate is 27%, or a trust. A trust is also not really great to invest with because its income tax is 45%, which is pretty high. So let's just use the personal example. Here you can put your gross monthly income. Let's say that you're earning 50,000 Rand. Once you click the calculate button, it'll tell you that your net income, i.e. the money landing in your bank account after you've paid the tax man, would be 38,268,000. And here at the bottom, you can just see the annual amounts as well as the monthly and the monthly pay YE. Please note this disclaimer. This is based on estimates, and you must always chat to a professional or a tax consultant to make sure you've got an informed decision. I hope this tutorial helped you, but if you still have questions or concerns, please contact us via the chat and email functionality in the menu bar.